So I think one thing is very clear, the software engineering is up for disruption. So what will you advise for a college student who is opting for an engineering course today?
I think engineering in general, I think teaches you problem solving. Right? I think if you talk to any engineer, right, like whether they are chemical, mechanical, right, I think most people in their colleges don't do programming, but they sort of learn problem solving and things like that. I think that's a pretty general and good skill to acquire. So I would, like not sort of abandon degrees and stuff. And I think embrace AI. I think like the more sort of you work with sort of AI, Claude and ChatGPT and like co-pilots and stuff, right, you'll sort of realize that you can go much faster. It sort of enhances your thinking. And I think there are people who can actually operate AI really well, and then there are people like who are still sort of learning. Just like any skill, it's a skill to acquire. How do you prompt something? Like what prompts work, what doesn't work? As people get better at it, right? Like I think there'll be people who will have significant advantage because they can sort of whisper to the AI and make it do things, right? Versus other people who are sort of struggling. Young people have this advantage. They can sort of learn things faster, embrace it much quicker. Just like what happened in social media and everything, right? Like they're much better than we are.